Hello everyone, I'm Rabia. Today I'll suggest you a trading strategy in this type of market position in which you can see that market is very much stuck in between 10 or 20 bips. Even you can see the last day trading that market was stuck in between 10 to 20 bips. So as I told you that gold and silver will sell, even I can see the bitter selling in gold and silver in the coming future or in coming week. But as you can see that the market is fluctuating in between a mid-level and not adopting any kind of trend, whether bullish or bearish. But for the time being in force, how we can earn? The question is that how we can earn in this unsustainable and confused market position, because we are doing business and trading because we want some profit. So I'm giving you my main idea and my strategies, and I called it strategy number 1. And the strategy number 1 is like a short-term trade, and in this strategy I'll tell you the 5 major points which are very much important to do the trading according to my strategy number 1, as I term it as short-term trade. The short-term trade, or you can see that the day trade, is very much easy, and also it can be risky sometimes. So let's start with the major points. Point number 1 is that fix your target and sell from high level of any commodities, like the day high of gold. You can sell gold in its day high level and buy at its day low point, because you know that market will definitely go 2 to 3 times in their high level, or then again it come back down at its low level. So you can easily earn $50 to $100 like in just one trade if you sell in from high level and then you can buy from low level. So that's the point number 1. The point number 2 is, but how I get profit in just 5 to 10 bips. Like sometimes you see that the market is fluctuating between just in 5 bips point. Like if gold low is 1725 and gold high is 1730, then how you will earn in just between 5 points? So the answer is that increase your lot size. Like if you trading just with these 5 bips points, then you can earn profit by increasing your lot size in just one trade. Okay, that's the point number 2. So as you can see that just in 2-4 bips difference, you can earn profit of $50 or above $100 in between just 1 hour or in a day. So it's also a good profit as compared with the day trading. So point number 3 is one trade only in one go. Like if you are trading from the strategy number 1, according to the strategy number 1, then you should try only one trade at a time. Not you can buy doing like you sell euro from high point and also pound USD pound from high point, and then gold and silver you are doing in 4 trades. No, you have to trade just only one trade, and just one trade only in one go. Trade in sell or buy, take profit, then go for next trade. Don't take so much lots of trades in one go, because your focus will be lost. So that's the point number 3. The important point number 4 is fix your target, and after you gain your target, just close the market. Like this type of trading is also risky and gain against, and sometimes it gain against you. So better to fix your target, that I want target if I suggest or I think that I have to earn $100 in a day, so that's my target for a day. So just fix your target, and after gaining your target, you should close your market and just chill and relax and just close the market. That's the point number 4, which is very important. The point number 5 is also very important, that market is very much attractive. After gaining so much of profits and after your history is profitable, then you want to trade again and again, and sometimes the greediness kills you. So don't be greedy and trade your daily targeted profit. After gaining it, just close the market and just relax and chill and trade, then next day you will trade again. So that's the important strategy. And I, as far as my thinking, I suggest you strategy number 1, which is a short term trade, and it is a day trade, you can say.